Alright, back again. So in this video we will resume from the previous video where we will try to insert the color is equal to red in a string in this way. So if you want to turn the script, for example this is one, and if you want to insert an integer into the script, you will simply add a dollar sign, then do this, and instead of, say, this is our text and now we want to put an integer here, so we will put integer name here like this. So this is our level that we put here, and the rest of the text was pretty similar to the TextMeshPro text. What this means is that this text will simply be copied, and instead of one, you guys are going to put this parenthesis out of it and simply press the dollar sign when you're going to use this parenthesis thing, and put this string literal double quote start and double quote end at the end and beginning of the script. So now when you play it, as you can see, it looks something like this. Level is equal to 0, and again the color is, you only want the color to be red for this. So now if you save it, so this is how it looks. This is level name coming from level data that was here. If you can see this level 1 just is served, got written over here, then this is the level number, and this is in red. So this is how we want it. Now we'll save it, and instead of 0 we will add an increment here, so it's level +1. So by default the level will be 1, that it will show up here in a written form. And next thing we will do is figure out our level end dialog. So this is how it looks. Now it turns to 1 when we press got it. The game will start. Next thing we will do is add a simply head over to our delete this level ends, and if we can find this level start again, this is our level start. We'll duplicate it, and that is by pressing Ctrl D. Name it level ends, and level ends will be accessed in similar ways. So here we can add a header, we will add a tooltip header here, tooltip header for level ends, very as references. Start references. So simply copy it, and here we will put level number text, and the ends will put like this. ends, and once the level starts, by default they will have its value inside show in game canvas. We will perform these initializations. So yeah, so let's do it. Level ends will be here, and go back to level static immovable level for text. So this is level name, ends, this level heading, and if I can turn this off, so if I can turn this in game canvas, and this level starts, turn this off, level starts, this is level heading, this is level name, this one here, and this is briefing here, and then this child variable. Rename this to mission ends text, and instead of briefing, level name, level heading would be sorry, this would be mission ends or game over or whatever it can be. Or post match, post mission briefing, post mission analysis, post mission yeah, analysis, or you can use post mission sync, post mission is fine, post mission briefing, or mission result seems fine to mission result. And another thing you can do is that you can see it's going a bit at the top, so we will do like this, mission result, and this is how it will be. So now when the game ends, we will look again what we have done. So level heading, level name, level heading, level name, and yep, so this is what we have changed, and this is the level ends game object, and here we will give the, if you want to turn this in bulk, so public game object level ends text, or panel level ends panel, level starts panel.